In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in as another users in Salesforce. So this is especially useful for admins who need to troubleshoot issues, provide support, or test user permissions. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Salesforce. So first, only system administrators are or users with the administrators can log in, as any users permissions can use these features. Like, to check if you have an access, you can click on the gear icon on the upper right corner and then select the setup. So now click setup in here and then wait for it to load up. So in the search bar, type the login access policies and wait for it. Now select this and ensure that the administrators can log in as any users. So once you're done ensuring that you are on the admin, you can now search for the users. Type it in the search bar and click this. And now, assumingly we have another users in here. So find the user you want to log in as, and then next to their name, look for the login link in the action column, and then click the login, and you will be redirected into their account. And that's it. That's how you log in as another user in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.